Okay, so this one, each of these expressions is going to match with at least one of the factored forms on the right, but it actually can match with more than one factored form. So let's just look at 14 plus 18 first. And I can see that 14 and 18 are even with each other. So even both of them. So I know that a 2 can be divided out. So I can factor out a 2 from the 14 and the 18. When I take 2 away from 14, I'm going to get 7. And when I take 2 away, or 2 times 9 is going to give me 18. So I can see right here that 2 times 7 plus 9 is a factored form of 14 plus 18. Okay. I'm not seeing that 7 and 9 have any more common factors, so this very possibly might be the only one that is related to that. So now let's look at the next, 24 and 16. I'm going to change the color here. Okay, so we have 24 plus 16. And I can see that a 2 can come out of 24 and 16. So 2 times 24 is 12, plus 2 times 8 is 16. So this would be a factored form if I factored out a 2. So right here, I can see 24 plus 16 is equivalent to that. Let's go ahead and try, because I noticed that 12 and 8 are both even. So now let's try a 4. Let's try to factor out a 4. Sorry, I should put it down here. Okay, so 4, if we pull 4 out, what's going to be left? Because I know that 4 is a factor of 24 and 16. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 4 is 16. And that's right here, 4 times 6 plus 4. So I can see that 24 plus 16 is also equivalent to this expression. And I can tell right here that 6 and 4 are still even. So I can actually pull out another 2, which would be then 8. Okay, so if I pull out an 8, because I know that 8 is a factor of both of those numbers, 8 goes into 24 3 times, and 8 goes into 16 2 times. So here is an equivalent expression, and right here then, 24 plus 16 would match. Okay, 3 and 2 are now in their simplest form, so I really can't pull any more factors out. So let's try the next one, 9 plus 27. 9 plus 27. I know that 3 goes into both of those numbers, so I'm going to pull a 3 out. 3 times 3 gives me 9, and 3 times 9 gives me 27. And right here I see that expression. So 9 plus 27 is going to go right here. I can also see inside of this parentheses that 3 and 9 still have a common factor of 3. And 3 times 3 is 9. So let's see what happens if we pull a 9 out. So 9 comes out. And inside, 9 times 1 is 9. And 9 times 3 is 27. So we have this expression right here also equals 9 plus 27. And I'm weird, so I like everything the same color. 14 plus 18. All right, so this is the explanation of that